Hello, my name is Brio Hamal, and I am a student in Genetics 311. Today, I'll be going over my Exam 3 mini video. I chose Prompt 2, so for my Exam 3 mini video, I'll be going over chromosomal aberrations. For the first crossover event, we had MLI centromere JKHG and GHI centromere JKLM. When we start at the first chromatid, we go across and we end up on the opposite side. This gamete is viable. We go to the next chromatid and we go across. As you can see here, this is where the first crossover event happens between J and K. We come across and we end up on the same side. We can see that duplication and deletion has occurred, so this gamete is not viable. We go to the third chromatid and we go across, and we can see that this is where the inversion loop occurs. We go through the inversion loop and end up on the opposite side. This gamete will be viable. For the last chromatid, we start on the opposite side. We go across and we see the second crossover event occurring. We end up on the same side, and again, there is duplication and deletion happening, making this gamete not viable. I believe the chromosomal aberration type is pericentric inversion because the inverted areas include the centromere. For the second crossover event, we have MLI centromere JKHG and GHKJ centromere ILM. These are homozygotes, so they're all the same. I made 2 sets of the same chromosomes. For the first chromatid, we go across, and we can see that the first one is viable. For the second chromatid, we go across, and that is where the first crossover event happens between J and K. We cross over, and we end up on the opposite side. We can see here that dicentric is being presented, and a duplication with the double J's, making this gamete not viable. We go to the next chromatid, and this is where the second crossover event occurs. We cross over, and we can see that no centromeres are present in this, so this gamete is acentric, making it not viable. For the last, we go across, and we can see that it is a viable gamete. I believe dicentric and acentric chromosomes are present in this occurrence. For fitness, I believe they have the same fitness because there was 50% gamete viability within each chromosome. Thank you and have a great day.